at it again with another amazing video for you guys. Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about the newest update for XC, which is Jojos Amazing XC. This is the version 3.14. This version, it supports Multiview, among other things, and it works pretty smooth. The only thing I did notice with this new update is that the Multiview, sometimes when you have certain channels on, it may act goofy, okay? But I'll be honest with you, I always like the layout of how XC looked, and with the 3.14 version, the tweaks and turks, or whatever, the little tweaks, it came out pretty good. It came out really good. So enough of me talking and enough of me stuttering. Let's get into the app, and then I'll show you how you use it. And the only way you can use this actual app is if you have service with me, which is Jojos Amazing TV. If you have no service and you like how this video comes out, message me. You can hit me up on Facebook, Telegram, or Twitter, or just even comment down below, and even email me. Or check my website out. There's many different ways of reaching out to me. I have all that information down below in the description. Check me out, and we get in touch. But anyways, let's go into this app. So I'm gonna open it up, and it loads up fairly fast, depending on your internet. All right, and you see how you get your username and password. All you have to do from this point is, if you have a working username and password, I'll give you that once you pay service. It is a paid internet internet TV service. Once you enter your credentials, then you should be good. So give me a second. I'm going to enter everything in that I need to. Okay, so I got everything entered in. I got my username, I got my password. Okay, now guys, just remember, your username and password have to be entered in exactly the way I sent it to you, with capital letters and lowercase letters, as well as numbers. Okay, so once you have all your stuff entered in, you see how I highlighted the sign in. It turned from blue to like a gold color. That kind of indicates that you're highlighting it. So you're gonna hit sign in, give it a second, and it should load up. It's gonna load up your live TV, video on demand, TV series, and TV guide. And let me tell you, the TV guide on this is pretty crisp. Okay, I'm not saying it's 100% accurate, but it's pretty dang crisp. All right, so let's start with the live TV. I'm just going to show you a gist of it, okay, because there's so much in this app that I want to explain, and I don't want to drag out the video. So we go into live TV. Okay, you have your categories to the left here, and your channels are to the right. And mind you, if you see blurs, is because I just blur certain things out, and we all know why, because YouTube is really strict. Alright, so here goes your categories. You get a good chunk of it, and with this service you get over 8,000 channels. So we're gonna go into entertainment, USA Entertainment. We're gonna click the first one. We go A&E, and you see here, pulls it up. All right, give it a second, and there you go. You see how you have your your channels to the left, and you see your TV guide underneath it. And what's nice about it, okay, there we go. What's nice about it, if let's say for example you want to watch A&E, all you do is you click it, and it'll make a full screen. And if you want to just back out of it, you can. You back out of it, and then if you want to set it to your favorites, you press and hold the select button. See that star? Turns to a favorite. So let me back out of that. As you see there, you could do it also on this screen too. Add to your favorites. So let's try ABC. See how I hold down the select button, a star will come up. I'll do it here again. A star will come up. Like I said, it's a little blurry, but I'm going to try to make it so that you still kind of can see the little star popping up. All right, so as you see there, you do that. Now, what's really cool about this application is they kind of fixed up the closed caption. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do it real quick, but I'm not gonna talk through it. I'm just gonna show you and maybe indicate little arrows on the video, because I don't like talking over the actual channel, because sometimes it sounds so distorted. Okay, so I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this one here. There we go. I know what you're talking about. Full screen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Press the
That
select
one
button on your
was
remote. See in the
done
bottom?
it, supposed to did, whatever.
Horsley admits to
There goes your
knowing
closed
Teron
caption.
Lewis, aka Chum.
Click that.
What do you know about the case, Mookie?
Okay.
Why y'all keep calling me that?
And then you see your closed caption.
Nah, my name's DeAndre Horsley.
Okay, so
Back
nobody
out.
calls you Mookie.
Back out again. There you go. That's how you could turn your closed caption on. But I'm just letting you know too, not all channels have the capability of closed caption. So don't get all, I know sometimes you want to see the closed caption on certain channels, but I'm just letting you know that not all channels have the closed caption feature. You can give it a try, but sometimes it will not come up. Okay. That's pretty much for the live TV section. Obviously, EPG is your TV guide, so we'll go into that. Give it a second here. And you see it says USA Entertainment, and there goes your TV guide, like full screen in a sense. And you can select the channel, like if you clicked here, first 48, you click into it, and it pulls you right into it.
He doesn't.
But we're going to back out, and then you can do that pretty much with all the categories. You see how I selected next, so you click that and it just changes your categories. Okay, but like I said, when you do this, when you select different categories, just give it time to load up. Okay, you don't want to click it super fast because it may crash the app. I tried it and it hasn't crashed, but it does act up a little bit when you're trying to do really fast on the TV guide because there's so much stuff it's trying to pull up at once. Okay. And obviously you have your video on demand, which is movies. And be honest with you, my service, it has a good amount of TV movies and stuff, but it's not the greatest. I still stick with like Cinema HD, a couple of new ones. Actually, there's a couple new ones that I have that are on my filing store. I'm not gonna butcher the name. I actually, but it's on there and it works pretty well. I'm gonna do a video for it, and it is great. Mod God Mel, it's basically Mod God Mel's or Mod God. It's his app. It's movies, and it's like it's a type. Oh my goodness, my stuttering is bad today. A terrarium clone, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I will be doing a video for that, and it's really nice. Okay, so obviously you have your TV series. I'm not gonna go into that one because it's very light. It doesn't have much, but I'm gonna show you something really cool because I have been getting a lot of people saying, "Hey, how can I block adult channels? How can I block certain channels I don't want my kids to be watching?" With this new XC, it's an easier way to do it now. Okay, so what you do is you see on here on the bottom settings, you click that, then you pull up your settings. Okay, then you're gonna go into, where is it at? Right here. I believe it's in other settings. You go into other settings. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's not. Actually, since we're in this, you see how it says auto sleep mode? See how it's on? Turn it off, because if you don't turn that off, it's going to basically shut down after maybe an hour of watching live TV. Okay, there it is, parent lock. So you're gonna click that. Now the default password is 4 zeros, so you're gonna enter in 0000 and then hit next, and then you're gonna highlight. You see how I highlighted OK? Hit OK, and there you go. Now you have the capability of turning off category or live TVs. You can even turn off the videos on demand, all that stuff. So let's say you go scroll all the way down. You see how it says adults? You click that and you see how it's locked. That's all you have to do. You go up and you could turn it on, and then you could turn it off. You have that feature. You turn it on, and that's it. Pretty much you have it on. Now we back out, go into live TV, scroll all the way down, and you see I have no category for adults. Okay, and everything else pretty much comes up. So back out of there, and that's how you set your parent lock. And then you have your radio, which is not the best. You have your Catchup. Yes, it has Catchup on it. Not Catchup, you know what I mean, but like shows that you haven't really seen, or basically it has on there, like replays. You know what I mean. And then you have your favorites, and then Multiview. Now, Multiview, I'm going to go into it. See how here you got 4 screens? Okay. So what you do is you hit the plus sign. You choose one. Let's go to AMC. There it goes. Then you want to go over, let's say right here. You click that plus sign and you choose A&E. There you go. Now, sometimes it may go goofy, you know, and if you want to hear audio, you would just basically hit that button there and the audio will come on.
I didn't
There you
kill
go.
my...
So you hit that and you can turn it off and one at a time. And then if you want to go full screen, like if you just want to go full screen on it, it's this screen here. You click, actually, no, I'm sorry. You could change how it's set up, okay? So basically, there you go. Now, if you want to go full screen, you know, sometimes I do have a little issues with it. Like I forget. I think it's just basically back out and you should be all right. See what I mean? You see how that happens? That's awesome. This came up in the video. You will have this issue when you try to back out of it. So, or you hit no. You have to hit yes, and it'll back out of it. If you hit no, and then it goes crazy. That was the issue I was having when I was testing it, and I just want to come out in the video. Okay, so people that know my video, a lot of times I make things happen on purpose so that you know nothing is perfect. And if anybody out there in the YouTube community tells you, oh, it's 100% perfect, no, it's not really. Everything pretty much on the internet is never guaranteed, okay? Just, I said that, and if they say I'm lying, hey, tell them to reach out to me. But anyways, there you go, guys. So now you're saying, well, how can I get this app, or how can I get the service? Well, the app is easy to get. You got to get Filelinked, and you use my Filelinked code, which I'll go into it, and you put that code in there, 748-61473. Once you go into that, you're going to pull up the Jojos Amazing TV and Budget TV. Jojos Amazing TV is a great IPTV service for very low cost. You get so much content. It's only $12 a month, over 8,000 channels. You'll get 2 connections off the bat. I have all the pricing and everything down below, as well as on my website, which you'll see across the screen right now. It's jojosamazingvideos.com. Check it out. It's really nice and user-friendly to use. And then also the Budget TV is a smaller IPTV, which is only just over 1,000 channels, and it's just live TV, okay? And you'll basically get everything, like from sports packages, some live TV channels, well, a good chunk of live TV channels, and pay-per-view and etc. And that is only $5 a month with 1 connection, or you'll get 3 connections for $10. And then I have an additional package called the Ultimate Package. You'll get both services, Jojos Amazing TV and Budget TV, which gives you over 10,000 channels, okay? And it's only $15 a month, okay? On my website, it gives you more detail of what it is. If you're still confused, message me, okay? Super easy to do, okay? And like I said, everything is down below what you need. If you guys don't have Filelinked, link is down below in the description, how to get it, how to use it on your device. Okay, guys? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so you can get update content. Also, check me out on Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. And any questions, any comments you have, please feel free to reach out to me, and I try to get back in a timely manner. Sometimes I don't, it's because a lot of things are going on, but I will try my best. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great evening.